Okay, here we are back at the workbench. Finally got this thing back, old Randy. And they had to do, we did end up wrecking. Well, like I said, I'm still learning, plus I'm mostly partially handicapped in the brain. But we dickered about 1/8 of an inch there that they had to weld in and then refriculate. Not too bad on this back side. Probably gonna have to check. There you can see on the back side the. Oops. Next time we'll get her. But anyways, gonna have to probably check the pinch or the squish on this squish band just to be sure. But everything else looks really nice. We will go together with it. Looks like they got one of these is blocked off. Didn't notice that the first time. What? Whatever. Suzuki. I'll get her put together and then I want to get it in and we'll hopefully get it running today. We'll see. Okay, I had it all put together. I had to take it apart. There's a weird stopper that goes in the bottom of the cylinder. And you can see, I'll try to zoom in on it, that I can't get that power valve seated down far enough. So I don't know what the hell's going on. I thought that bearing was down. The bearing looks like it's tight. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that stopper's, you can just see like half the hole. Damn it. Only Suzuki would have a screw hanging down below the base gasket. What the fuck? Okay, I got it. I was trying to drive the actual shaft in, but that is bottomed out, and this moves separately, the collar. So I drove that down. She's down where she goes. Power valve working correctly. Ish. Carry on. All I needed was a couple drinks. Swips. Got her together. This thing's really going to run good. You know why? Because it's been fighting me like an ass. Just like another particular machine that we got. And then the Ruckus, I don't remember if I showed you guys, but it had like 4-stroke oil in it. Look how black that is. It was all black and sooty. So my pork job, yeah, we got to get parts coming. Pop wheelies. Okay, moment of truth. I think I got everything all in there. I still got to hook up the gas line. Yep. This thing's been fighting me like you wouldn't believe. Suzuki has just a different way of doing stuff. And maybe I'm just so spoiled with Hondas, but tell you what, buddy. Okay, let's some fuel. Everything, I didn't end up with any extra pieces except for one that kind of looks important. Now, where the hell do you think that big bastard goes? I have no idea. Unless they had it, because I didn't have the engine apart here. All these parts were here just from taking the thing out and apart. If anybody knows, let me know. Looks like it had a spinning bit on this side. And then there's like a pattern on the other side. I don't know. Freaking me out. Oh well, let's see if it'll run. Been a 6-month process, this thing. Maybe if we wouldn't have had too much fun that night and had too much fun and wrecked the engine, eh? Okay, key on. Engine on. Choke on. My knee is fucked up, but I think I should be able to kick it over. Oh yeah. What are the chances? Oh boy. There we go.